Hi, my name is Mr. Chu and welcome to my study room. Today I'm solving objective questions 17 and 44 of the 2023 WASSCE General Mathematics paper written by Ghana. Question 17 is a number-based question that asks us to evaluate 141 base 6 plus 233 base 6 minus 102 base 6. And I'm going to try solving this using two different approaches. So the first approach, you just do the addition and the subtraction. I'll first add these two, and then when I finish, I subtract this from the result. So let's go ahead and do that. 141 plus 233. This is base 6. This is base 6. Remember, in addition in base 6, we cannot get any answer more than 5. 5 is the highest value we can get in base 6. 0 to 5. Anything above 5 should be changed to base 6. For example, 6 will be 1 0, 7 will be 1 1, 8 will be 1 2, and so on and so forth. So let's do addition now. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 in base 6 is less than 6, so still 4. Let me add a base 6 here already. Then 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 base 6 is 1 remainder 1, because 6 will go into 7 once and the remainder is 1. So I write the 1 here, which is the remainder. It's the remainder that you write down. Then I bring the 1 forward here, or I carry it forward. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 base 6 is still less than 6. So I write all my 4. But that is not all, that is just the addition. Now let me go ahead and subtract 102. So minus 102 base 6. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Let me still bring my base 6. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So our answer is 312 base 6, which is option A. Another way will be, we will change each of these to base 10. After that, we perform the operations on it, and then we convert our final answer to base 6. So let me do that quickly. So 141 base 6 to base 10 will be 1 times 6, which will give us 6. Then plus the next number, which is 4, and that will give us 10. And now this 10 times the base again 6, which will give us 60, plus the next number, which is 1, and that will give us 61. So 141 base 6 is 61. And I know this method looks a bit strange, but I have a video in which I took my time to explain how this works, and I'll be sharing the link right now, as well as put it in the description of this video, so that those who would like to see how to do this conversion from other bases to base 10 using this method can also check that out. So you can check the description, or you click the link at the top, then you see. So this is 141 to base 10. Now let me do 233 base 6 to base 10, and that will be 2, which is the first number, times the base 6, and that is 12. Then 12 plus the next number, which is 3, and that will give us 15. Then 15 times the base, which is 90. Then 90 plus the next number, 3, and that will give us 93. So 93 is 233 base 6 to base 10. Then let's do the last one. 102 base 6 to base 10 will be the first one, 1 times 6, which will be 6, plus the next number 0, which is still 6, times the base, which is 6, and that gives us 36, plus the next number 2, and that is 38. So now we go ahead and perform the operation. 61, which stands for 141, plus 93 stands for 233 base 6, will give us 4. 9 plus 6 is 15. Then now minus 102, which is 38, so minus 38. 154 minus 38 is 116. And now we change the 116 to base 6. So I put my 6 here, which is the new base I'm changing it to. Then I put my 116 here. So 6 will go into 116 19 times remainder 2. So 6 times 19 is 114. then 6 can still divide 19 3 times remainder 1, because 6 3 is 18. Then 6 will go into 3 0 times, because the 3 is less than the 6, remainder 3. And then we take this upwards. That means the answer is 3 1 2 base 6. I'm just putting this upwards. So 3 1 2 base 6, which is the same as what we got here. So any of the methods you are familiar with, you are free to use that. Let's move on to the next question. Question 44 is actually a modulo question, which says that determine the least value of x such that 7 plus x equal to 3 mod 8. I think the key thing here is the least value of x. So the modulo in which we are working now is modulo 8 or mod 8, and we have to look for the least number for which mod 8 will give us 3, and that number is 11, because 11 mod 8 is 3 apart from 3 itself. That's the first number that when you take the modulo of 8 you are going to get 3. So that means that the whole thing here, 7 plus x, should be equal to 11 for it to make this expression true. So that is what I'm going to do. So 7 plus x should be equal to 11 to make that correct. And subtracting 7 from both sides, you're going to get x equal to 11 minus 7. And x will be equal to 4. So that is the least value that when you place it here, it will make the thing true, because 7 plus 4 is 11. So instead of working, you can just pick each of these numbers and put them here, and the one that gives you 11 is just what you have to choose. So the correct answer here is B. And I hope this lesson has been of help to you. If yes, then kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Till we meet again in my study room. Bye bye.